Hi guys, and welcome back to yet another video of us reading the comment section after watching Uthando Nesithembu episodes 10 and 11 season 8. People had a lot to say. Okokuqala ke uLushaba uthi Mrs. English saze sasha, and then uNozipho uthi kodwa waze wangidabukisa umnini amazwi akhe kuyefana noma ngingasho lengane ivuthiwe. And then uZandile uthi ngihlekisa umseleko mina uthi sinenkinga ngampela uzongibiza ngobaby wonakale umuzi. And then uzi uthi Sneh is your friend Suphika. And then Ayanda uthi lol, I knew Sneh was lying. And then Usebe uthi we stand with Sneh in this difficult time. Mina ke sana ngiyamkholwa uSneh. That is my opinion. Ulizzy uthi Mpumelelo knows something about number 5. And then uNozi uthi kodwa yena uSneh uzozikhipha zonke noma ungamphika wena. And then Khomotso uthi why don't you give us a full 5 hours episode because taba ya 30 minutes ayibereki. Uoneyile uthi you are a stepmother to your scheme, no need to defend. And then Unosimo uthi Sneh is telling the truth the way she was so shocked. If it was a lie, she wouldn't be saying it in front of you. And then Lovejoy uthi so it means Usamke na Sneh beba pretendana. Ubrand uthi I can't wait for the episode where Sneh shows screenshots of her talking to Usamke. Usneh hanyebi. And then Urifilwe uthi Mogel was on a mission to get umseleko. And then uSkholiwe uthi uSneh uqinisile akekho umuntu ongaqamba amanga ukhona nawe. uFaith uthi we believe uSneh. And then uMargaret uthi can you just buy Sneh podcast equipment and beers for Mzumbe updates than to wait for 30 minutes barely there episodes. uFlorence uthi she is not lying. Ulungile uthi what about Mpumelelo and Samke? Because Mpumelelo's look says a lot. Uzizo uthi I doubted Sneh until I saw Mpumelelo and Lwandle's faces when they were introduced kuMamncane. Then I knew ukuthi sisezothi yo. And then uMakhawutha uthi after God fear a boy child. uStormy uthi it's crazy how many people are questioning Mayeni for leaving the children alone in Mzumbe, but nobody is questioning Umseleko on why he is not present and living with his children since Umayeni has left. Why hasn't he stepped up as the children's father? Mayeni naye, she's dealing with a lot, plus all the depression she's going through. She needs to first heal herself so that she can be a good mother to her children. She also has a life outside being a mother and wife. And then uKamel uthi imali inesono shame. Look at how the Celes are behaving. Clearly Macele is the breadwinner. uNothando uthi the Cele family bathe gapu eindabeni zakamseleko. And then uNtokozo uthi angithandi ngomnini. Number 5 angamane aphindele kubo. Vele nje bayalingana. Uzi uthi budi wamacele indoda ephaphayo nje iyanginyanyisa. And then Indiphile uthi and if Umayeni wasn't such a horrible mnax to uMakhe ngabe uzothathile shame ingane zakhe until abuye usisters cause unenhliziyo enhle uMakhe that I know of. uNontobeko uthi I have just seen news wokuthi uSibindi was arrested allegedly. How true is this? And then uKhosi uthi never ever leave your kids ma uduba. Udubiswa indoda and think you are punishing him. No. Please kusafarisha abantwana ukudlula wonke umuntu. Hayi suka man. uWinnie uthi uMakhwela must move in endlini kaMayeni ayogada ingane. Yo guys, anifuna ngempela qulekeke uMayeni. Hayi shame leyo ke nje angivumelani nayo. Yes, komunye umhlaba nje, oh my goodness, that would have been such a brilliant idea, but ke sana in this thembu lesi nje singacacile nje, hey, it's a bad idea ngoba kuzothiwa futhi mase gula ingane kulowo muzi loyo kuzothiwa khona usedlisiwe, so nje Makhwela nje must stay away. Wise lady uthi naye uMayeni when she took this decision yokuhamba, did she stop and think of her kids? Yes, Musa said izingane zakhe aziyindawo, but the way she's stubborn ngakhona, she could have forced to go with Obanzi and Umnini. This is just pure negligence, especially when your child was once poisoned. Umisi uti, if we can have more appearances by your uncle, please, he is a vibe. No, I do not agree, Guloko. I feel like it was unnecessary, it was uncalled for, it was not his place to say that little speech, just bitayo. No, no, I don't agree, shame. Cela nje singaphinde simbone. Usindi's uti Mayeni said maybe his girlfriends were stressing him, asking him, when are you marrying me? That's why he fell ill. Mayeni, please. And then Ulindi uti Mayeni is like me. Once you say delusional, I will show you what delusional is by hundreds. Now when you Google delusional, Mayeni's face is right next to the word. Usindi's uyaphinda uthi Mayeni can leave if she wants to leave. She married Musa knowing he's a polygamist. He'll Shibasi, sometimes you're unnecessary. And then uphindile uthi cha bandla angikwazi nokufihla ngiyamthanda uShibasi. And then ubongi uthi Mayeni is showing us flames this season. Mitchell uthi we Mayeni work with me hle Muntuza. Hore it's hard to defend you. I'm defending you even when you are wrong. Mayeni is a full-time job, but I love her. Team Mayeni and Mangwabi. And then Unofundo uti, that's my girl. I am a toxic like her. When she says waphatheka kabuhlungu kwaphela nowudino, she is me, I am her. Uzanele uti, so she doesn't have her sister wife's number? Yo, I shame. And then Unofundo uti, she's serving us the delusional you were talking about. And then Usanas uti, Macele is selfish. She talks about unity only when it suits her. Umlayile uShibase ngeke amenze lutho futhi. Umatumelo uti, Karma. Shibase needed the same support when Mnini was sick and there was no one. Ziyakhala-ke manje. Maybe bazofunda ukuthi unity should not be selective. And then uPinky uthi no, but honestly her driving back to Macele's house is an inconvenience. Haibo. They could have planned the meeting for the next day. Udidu uti, guys, why is Umselegu selling Isthembu to South Africa whereas he is battling with his own family? One peaceful wife is better than Umselegu's whole family. Usamkele uti, niyabona yini ukuthi akunamali kulomuzi. Umuzi onjani ongenayo i-medical aid or backup plan, rainy day funds, kuze kuqongelelwe just to pay for i-hospital bill. Ubeyaphi kwi-private hospital ikhona ekahulumeni? And then Agnes wamphendula-ke uSamkele wathi kuthiwa iyacinywa cause akukho umuntu ohlezi egula bayithatha as a waste of money. But buka-ke manje. Unomatse uti, how do you leave your children behind while their father is in hospital? Evil woman Umayini. Which therapy is she attending because there's no healing here? Unondo uti, kwesinye isikhathi if ufuna uxazululo kwenye into awulokhu ubuyela ezindabeni ezindala. Bekumele nje uMacele akhulume ngokuthi asiyeke osekwenzekile asibheke phambili ukuze umyeni wethu aphile. Asibe yimbumba njengabafazi bomuntu oyedwa. Finish. Futhi ibingadingeke kuhlalela kwakhe le. Laphayana nje esibhedlela bemile bebengaxoxa. Ufikile uthi no guys, why nimvuna uMayeni? Lokho kubathinta bonke, even bangahlangana many times akwenzeki. Cha, mangavele afake i-divorce straight. Hayi inyabeza kwabantu guys bayakhuluma basho nje okuningi, and some of the views I agree with, some views I don't agree with. Specifically le ndaba kaMayeni yokuthi aphendule umamkhulu ngalendlela amphendula ngayo. Yes, I do get ukuthi she is hurt and stressed and whatever else that is going on, but everyone is there. Like uMangwabe is there, uMakhumalo is there ubengeke njena akwazi ukulala ngisho no one night nje abone ukuthi kwenzakalani and come up with solutions going forward ukuthi bazobasiya kanjani abantwana. But anyway, umama nje omdala lo esikhuluma ngaye, she made her decisions and she must stand for them ke manje. Mina, you guys, I would like to hear your thoughts about this. Please comment down below and don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe so we can grow our community. Guys, ngiyabonga supporting. I can see the love, I can see the support. I am truly humbled. But ke sana ngizonibona kule elandelayo. Bye guys.